Hey everyone, welcome back to HTML for Complete Beginners. Today we're going to learn how to create list in HTML website in a very simple way. As we can see into this HTML website, we created an ordered list, and description list, and we add some details into the list sections into your HTML website. So how we did it, let's get started. As you can see that right now is nothing over here. So first what we can do into the body section, we can simply add a heading 4 tag, and then we can simply type over here unordered list. So here you can see we type the header unordered list, and also there will be another header. We can simply type, or we can give some space over here, and then we can simply type h4, and then here we can simply type ordered list, and after that we can simply type description list, and that's it. And we can simply save it right now, and if we just refresh it over here like this, we can see we simply created the list headings over here. So into the list headings we can simply type over here ul tag. So it's a very important tag called an order list tag. It's called ul tag, and into the ul tag we can simply type li tag, and it's called list tag, and into the list tag we can simply type pizza, and here we can simply type burger, and then we can simply type French fry, and that's it. After we will go for the h4 order list tag, and into the order list tag we can simply add ol tag, and into the ol tag we can simply add list tag, and into the list tag we can simply type over here wake up, and then we can simply type over here breakfast, and then we can simply type over here breakfast, and then we can simply go to office, and that's the ordered list. And after that we can simply add to the description list. Before that we can simply make some space over here, and from here we can simply add dl tag, and into the dl tag we can simply add dt add tags, and dt tags means definition tag. It's called description title. So for that we can simply add html on this so after that we can simply add dd tag, and dd tag means definition description. So what you do with this definition title html, you have to include this with this tag called dd. So it means definition description. So into the dd tag we can simply type over here this add structure to a web page, and then what we can do, we can simply type over here another dd tag to type css, and for the definition description, for that we can simply use dd tag, and then we can simply type this adds style to a web page. That's it. And after that we can simply add another, it's called dd tag for javascript, and for the definition description we can simply use dd tag, and then we can add this adds structure to a web page, and that's it. We can simply save them all by simply click on Ctrl+S. So as we can see, if we now refresh it, you can simply see that we rightly create a list items over here called ordered list, unordered list, ordered list, description list. If you don't want to give the numbering over here, so what you can do over here, you can simply type a, and that's it. You can simply save it right now, and if you just refresh it, you can see your ordered list is changed with this ABC. You can simply do this with these other items over here. So yeah, this is how you can simply create list in your HTML website. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.